Hey there, garden lovers! Have you ever wished for a garden that blooms year after year without much effort? Imagine planting once and then letting nature take over, filling your garden with color and life without lifting a finger. Sounds magical, right? Well, today I'm going to share a secret with you. 23 incredible self-seeding plants that are not only easy to grow and maintain, but also free and enchanting to look at. These plants will keep coming back year after year, making your garden a dream come true. The magic of self-seeding plants. Self-seeding plants are nature's gift to gardeners. They drop their seeds into the soil, and with a bit of patience, new plants will sprout up, often surprising you with delightful blooms in unexpected places. They're like little gifts from Mother Nature. Let's dive in and discover these amazing plants that will turn your garden into a self-sustaining paradise. The top 23 self-seeding plants. 1. Poppies. Poppies are like bursts of joy in your garden. Their vibrant reds, oranges, and pinks will brighten any spot. And once they're done blooming, they scatter their seeds like confetti, promising more color next year. 2. Nigella. Love in a mist. This enchanting flower lives up to its name. Delicate and dreamy, Nigella's blue, white, or pink flowers sit amidst a cloud of feathery foliage. They'll happily seed themselves in your garden, creating a misty fairyland. 3. California poppy. Eschscholzia californica. Sunshine in a flower. Poppies love basking in the sun, spreading their sunny cheer everywhere. 4. Sweet Alyssum lobularia maritima, a carpet of tiny flowers that smells as sweet as honey. Alyssum will blanket your garden with its fragrant, delicate blooms, attracting bees and butterflies. 5. Foxglove digitalis, tall, elegant, and a little bit wild. Foxgloves add a touch of mystery with their towering spires and bell-shaped flowers. They're perfect for filling your garden with height and drama. 6. Forget-me-nots, myosotis. These little blue flowers are like tiny stars. They pop up in clusters, spreading their charm across the garden. Once you have forget-me-nots, you'll never forget their lovely presence. 7. Calendula officinalis, often called pot marigold. Calendula's sunny blooms are not just pretty, but also edible. They're easy to grow and will sprinkle their seeds for a cheerful display year-round. 8. Cosmos bipinnatus. Cosmos are like the free spirits of the garden. With their delicate, daisy-like flowers, they sway gracefully in the breeze, and once they settle in, they keep coming back with even more blooms. 9. Marigolds. Taygetes. Marigolds are the guardians of the garden. Their bright, bold flowers deter pests and attract beneficial insects. Plant them once, and they'll faithfully return, protecting and beautifying your garden. 10. Snapdragons antirrhinum. With their whimsical dragon-like flowers, snapdragons add a playful touch to your garden. They come in every color of the rainbow and will reseed themselves, delighting you year after year. 11. Larkspur, delphinium. Larkspur's tall, spiky flowers bring elegance and height to any garden bed. Their rich blues, purples, and whites create a stunning visual display, and they love to self-seed, popping up in new spots each spring. 12. Bachelor's button, Centaurea cyanus, also known as cornflowers. These cheerful blooms are easy to grow and come in shades of blue, pink, and white. They add a rustic charm to your garden and spread their seeds with ease. 13. Barrage, Virago officinalis. Barrage is not just beautiful, but also beneficial. Its star-shaped blue flowers attract pollinators and are edible, perfect for adding a splash of color to salads. Once it's established, it will keep coming back. 14. Verbena bonariensis. Tall and airy, verbena's clusters of tiny purple flowers attract butterflies and add a touch of elegance to your garden. They love to reseed, so you'll have plenty of these beauties each year. 15. Dill, Anethum graveolens. Dill is not just for the kitchen. Foliage and yellow flower heads are lovely in the garden. It self-seeds easily, ensuring you always have fresh dill for cooking and a pretty plant to enjoy. 16. Chamomile. Matricaria chamomilla. These daisy-like flowers are not only charming, but also useful for making calming tea. Chamomile loves to spread, and once it's happy in your garden, it will reseed and grow back season after season. 17. Hollyhocks Alcea rosea. Hollyhocks are the towering giants of the garden. Their tall spikes of flowers in pinks, reds, and whites are a classic cottage garden favorite, and they readily reseed, filling your garden with old-fashioned charm. 18. Lupine. Lupines bring a burst of color with their tall, spiky flowers in blues, pinks, and purples. They're a favorite among bees and butterflies and will reseed themselves, adding vibrant color to your garden every year. 19. Chinese lanterns, Physalis alcakengi. These unusual plants produce bright orange pods that look like little lanterns. They're perfect for adding a splash of color in late summer and will spread their seeds for a delightful surprise next year. 20. Mullein verbascum. Mullein's tall yellow flower spikes are a striking addition to any garden. They're easy to grow and will happily self-seed, creating a beautiful vertical element in your flower beds. 21. Coriander, Coriandrum sativum, also known as cilantro. This herb is a 2-for-1 deal. Fresh leaves for your cooking and pretty white flowers that attract beneficial insects. It's a prolific self-seeder, so you'll never run out of coriander. 22. Honesty lunaria annua, known for its shimmering seed pods that look like silver coins. Honesty is a unique and enchanting plant. It's easy to grow and will spread its seeds, adding a touch of magic to your garden. 23. Morning Glory, Ipalmoea. These fast-growing vines produce stunning, trumpet-shaped flowers that open in the morning sun. They're perfect for adding vertical interest and will self-seed, bringing their morning charm back year after year. To help your self-seeding plants thrive, here are a few tips. Leave some flowers to go to seed. Don't deadhead everything. Let some flowers dry and drop their seeds naturally. Avoid heavy mulching. Thick mulch can block seeds from reaching the soil, so keep it light where you want self-seeders to grow. Be patient. Self-seeding takes time. This may surprise you by showing up in unexpected spots. And there you have it, 23 wonderful self-seeding plants that will transform your garden into a colorful, ever-changing paradise. These plants not only save you time and money, but also bring a touch of magic as they pop up in new places every year. I hope you feel inspired to add some of these self-seeding wonders to your garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. And let me know in the comments which self-seeding plants are your favorites. I'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.